What's going on, guys? It's Eric here from Dose of VT, bringing you guys another video. This time I got the Apple Watch Series 4. Excited to finally see what this sucker looks like. So we'll take off all the plastic here. So one neat thing they did with the box this time around is you got these little pulley things right here, I guess, whatever, little pull holes, and it opens up and you get to see all the different watches and like all the different colored bands and stuff, which is pretty cool. Nice little decorative thing they added here. So once you pull it out, you got the band. It comes in its own package now, like all the other Apple Watches do. Then you got the new watch face. So let's open up the band first and see what we got inside. I did get, as you guys can tell, the 44mm one. So it is the larger one. It's barely bigger than the one before, obviously. So you're not really going to be able to tell the difference in size per se. But obviously if you have it, you're going to know. So it just shows you the inside, the instructions, how to take it off, then your large band, then your small one, obviously. So medium to large, then your small one. That's all they give you in this. Pretty heavy though. Like, this is some decently good cardboard, but I imagine that's what they use in all of theirs. So opening it up, there's that. There's nothing on the inside there. This is how it comes in. You got designed by Apple in California. All your paperwork, instruction guides, all your good stuff, which you always see. Don't really need to worry about that. Next, you got your charging brick. Then you got your cable. Then, moment of truth, here's your new Apple Watch. It comes in this little sleeve. That's pretty cool. So you're just going to push it up. There she is, right there. It does kind of feel a little bit heavier, but it looks so much more nicer. Look how shiny it is on the back. Got that little glare to it compared to the Series 3. Looks a lot nicer. But there you guys go. That is the unboxing of the Apple Watch. Just wait for a couple more videos that I'll be posting here soon about how it works and all that stuff. Oh, it was turned on. But nothing too much. Simple, same as the other ones. It's just a bigger face and kind of a new design, but everything else is basically the same. But there you go, guys. Catch you guys in another video that I'll make soon about this Apple Watch. But see you later. Peace.